going to name different animals I want you to be. So, can anyone remember the game? So, if I say cheetah, what do you think you have to do for cheetah? Run really fast, as fast as you can. If I say kangaroo, what do you have to do for the kangaroo? Jump around. The first animal we're going to be is a cheetah. So, are you ready? Are you steady? Let's go.
Ready, ready, ready.